Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are apartment shopping. We will be looking at 2 3-bedrooms and 1 2-bedroom, and this is in Scottsdale, Arizona, so stay tuned and hang out with me. This bedroom is the largest of the 3 bedrooms in this apartment.
Not yet. You kind of take me stuff. Oh, we're still walking. Okay.
The lady that's the first bedroom. I missed that in the video.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So they're still doing a little bit of work in here.
I see.
So 1110 square feet is this apartment.
Okay, and this is the den bedroom. Oh no, it's a bedroom. It's got a closet. Okay. That's the small one.
The kitchen you will find on this side.
Okay.
Every apartment that we saw, they all had swimming pools, and I don't think they all had fitness centers, but they did all have pools, like 2 or 3 per property.
Okay. Oh, looks like they got some plumbing to do here too.
We're still working on some of those bathrooms.
No, it's right here in this kitchen.
Oh,
The kitchen sink. Oh, is that a bug? Is that a bug? Yeah, that's a bug. See, the sink is. Oh, so they're still working on it.
thumbs up the video and subscribe to find out which one we decided to pick in the next video. Peace out.